Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gas fireplace valve is probably one of the most overlooked components of a gas fireplace, yet it is crucial for both safety and performance. This often unsung hero controls the gas flow to your fireplace's burner, ensuring efficient and safe operation, and a proper valve can mean the difference between a cozy, warm fire and a potential hazard. Today, we'll explore what makes a great gas valve, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and ensuring years of reliable fireplace enjoyment. Number 5. Midwest Hearth Gas Fire Pit Valve Kit. This kit brings convenience and safety to your outdoor fire pit. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. It features a solid brass ball valve, ensuring smooth on-off control without any pressure loss. This is a significant upgrade from standard globe valves. Everything you need is included: a brass valve, a sleek floor plate, and 3 universal keys. Installation is quick and straightforward. It's compatible with both natural gas and liquid propane, offering you fuel choice flexibility. Enjoy your fire pit with your preferred fuel source. Rest assured, it's CSA certified, meeting the highest safety standards. You can enjoy your fire pit with peace of mind. With 1-2 NPT fittings and a simple 1-4 turn on-off operation, it's incredibly user-friendly. Control your fire with ease. What we like. It boasts a robust construction and can handle both natural gas and LPG. If you need a reliable and safe valve for various fuel types, this is the one for you. Its certification ensures peace of mind, making it perfect for those prioritizing safety. What people say. A very high-quality product that looks great in my home. Works great. Small so it's unnoticeable yet perfect fit in the rock face. Worked as a standard fireplace. Number 4. Real Fyre SPK 26 Valve. Upgrade your gas log set with the Real Fyre SPK 26 manual on-off valve. It's designed for easy control and safety. This valve adds manual control over your pilot light, giving you precise control over your fire. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you have this added safety feature. It includes a heat shield to protect it from the heat of your gas logs, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Its low-profile design is perfect for fireplaces with limited space. It's a great solution for smaller installations. Before purchasing, make sure you have enough space in your fireplace for it. It's designed for use with natural gas log sets. It's designed for easy installation, seamlessly integrating with your existing Peterson Real Fyre gas log set. Enjoy a safer and more controlled fire experience. What we like. This offers a simple, low-profile design, perfect for tight spaces. If you're looking for straightforward pilot control and a compact solution, this is a great choice. Its ease of installation makes it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. What people say. It worked very well and was fairly easy to install. It has lasted us 2 winters and we have had no issues with it. It lit on the first try after having the gas shut off to the fireplace all spring and summer. Durable, easy to install. This valve and pilot light has enough safety features that I am comfortable having it take care of our fireplace. There are good installation videos online by the manufacturer and the instructions it came with were fine as well. Bending the leads and pipes is a bit tricky at first, but once you figure out where things go, it's pretty straightforward. It's also important to always use thread sealant on gas fittings or the manufacturer recommends. I bought all other parts together, just the valve I got from here and they all fit together easily. Number 3. Robertshaw 710-502 Gas Valve. It's designed to be compact and low profile, perfect for applications where space is limited. This makes it an ideal replacement for your old gas valve. It's compatible with various gas types, including natural gas, propane, and more. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of heating appliances. It features multiple outlets for easy connection and standard terminals for simple installation. You'll appreciate its ease of use. It's RoHS compliant and built with high-quality materials for reliable performance and safety. You can trust it to work consistently and safely. Robertshaw is a global leader in control solutions for home appliances. It's a brand you can depend on for quality and performance. With its compact design, versatility, and reliable performance, it's the perfect replacement for your old gas valve. Choose quality, choose Robertshaw. What we like. It's incredibly adaptable to different gas types and boasts a high BTU capacity. If you need a replacement valve that's both versatile and space-saving, this is a top contender. Its compact size makes it perfect for limited spaces. What people say. This is a second valve I've purchased and both have worked flawlessly. Easy to install and came with all the required components including plugs. Works exactly as designed and the factory settings were set perfect. This valve has 3 setup options. My system's is millivolt and the valve has a wire from the thermocouple to electrical connection. Instructions mention error in original millivolt design, so I did not hook up the thermocouple from the fireplace, I just installed the plugs and thread reducers. Bingo! Number 2. T.I.T.S SIT 820-652 gas valve. This gas valve features a quick dropout mechanism for enhanced safety. It's designed to quickly shut off gas supply in case of emergencies, providing peace of mind. Enjoy precise flame control with its convenient high-low adjustment feature. It allows you to easily fine-tune the flame to your exact needs. It's not just for T.I.T.S appliances, it's also compatible with Monessen and Majestic products. This makes it a versatile replacement option. This control valve is a direct replacement for several SIT Controls gas valve models, including 820.654, 820.644, 820.652, 820.635, 820.655, 820.662, and 820.952. Check your model number for compatibility. Due to the nature of this product, all sales are final. Please ensure this is the correct part before purchasing. What we like. This offers safety features and precise flame control. If you need a valve with adjustable flame height and compatibility with various brands, this is a great option. Its safety features are a plus for those prioritizing safety. What people say. Perfect replacement for discontinued Honeywell valve that came with my 20-year-old Majestic fireplace. Well, not perfect, it did take a little imagination to mount it. This unit is just slightly wider than the original Honeywell valve, so I used the 2 bottom screws next to the gas in and gas out connections. This valve did the job. It was not a direct replacement for the existing valve in my Majestic fireplace, but it would not have been reasonable to expect it to be since the original valve was discontinued. I had to rework some of the connections and mount it a bit lower than the original because the knobs are taller than the old valve. Excellent working valve. Matches old valve. There are 2 locations that the thermocouple terminal block may be located, one in the back and one in the front. The location of the thermocouple terminal block on this valve is in the front. Number 1. Monessen Ventfree Fireplace Valve. This valve is designed for propane gas vent-free fireplaces. It's a simple solution for maintaining your fireplace's performance. This valve is not compatible with sealed glass fireplaces. Please ensure your fireplace is vent-free before purchasing. Enjoy the warmth and ambience of a fireplace without the need for a chimney or venting system. It's the perfect addition to your home. Double-check your existing valve number, 0820636, to ensure compatibility. This is crucial for a proper fit. It features a coarse thread thermocouple for reliable operation and long-lasting performance. It's built to last. Several models exist, so please compare your valve number to ensure you select the correct replacement. We have the right fit for you. What we like. It's specifically designed for propane gas and vent-free systems. If you have a vent-free fireplace and need a propane valve, ensure this model number matches yours. It's crucial to verify compatibility before purchasing. What people say. Recently bought a house with a propane fireplace that wouldn't stay lit. Replaced thermopile and that still didn't work. Took a chance and ordered this gas valve. It works perfectly. This part was a little trying, but we eventually got everything working. Adjustments had to be made. This gas valve works great. My only issue is that the pilot flame injector is making a small amount of hissing noise as it injects the pilot flame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.